Yolanda's Cooking Channel.
Hello, we're making some empanadas. Empanada with ground beef and cheese. I got some ground beef left over. I made some tacos. Next time maybe I can show how I made my tacos. I'm using 2 cups of corn mix. And I'm gonna use some warm water. And you mix it. Make sure the mix is not too soft or too dry. So I'm looking on my eyes and you can feel the texture. That's the kind of mix I use in empanada. People like to use flour, but I like to use corn mix. Now when you feel the mix is like that, it's not. You see how it's not in your hands? So it means it's ready. You can feel how it's moving easy on your hands. Okay, so it's ready. We have already had the oil on. It's ready to make. I cut a Ziploc bag, spray oil on the plastic bag, and a little bit on your hands. Make a little bowl. You press. With the ground beef. I'm gonna mix ground beef and cheese. So, close it. Use your fingers so you can see where the meat is in there. When you start, it's better to use something like a base. I like to use this cup. That's this bowl. And now you seal the empanada. You're gonna make another one. This time I'm only gonna use ground beef. You can put any kind of meat, chicken, cheddar beef, cheese, pork, any kind of meat. Use your fingers. You can use a butter knife too. That's easy way for me. And you have your empanada. We'll make a cheese one. You can use this, you can do that way too. It's easy for you too when you start making empanadas. Use the butter knife. And we have the cheese. Try again to see if the oil is ready. It's ready. So we're gonna put the cheese empanada, the ground beef and cheese and ground beef. It takes like 5 or 6 minutes to get ready. You can feel, and I'm gonna show you how you can feel when you touch with the fork. You can feel when it's hard and crunchy, and turning like dark yellow, so you can see. And the empanada is ready. You see how the color changes and look hard and crunchy. Look at that. Look at how it sounds. Crunchy. I got this cilantro and garlic sauce. Colombian empanadas.
Yolanda's Cooking Channel.